how to turn off or on suggest your account to people who open your link on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First, open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and after that click this three lines here in the top corner, and once you're here just click privacy, here is it, and then click suggest your account to others. And once you're here, all you need to do just search for this one, people who open or send links to you, and then make sure it's disabled, and if you want to enable it just click on it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.